This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account you'll modify, because settings apply per account. Next, make sure device location is enabled so Google can accept a new location, turn on Wi-Fi or cellular for accuracy. Open Google Maps or go to Account Settings under Data and Personalization to access location controls. Once there, tap Location History or Location Sharing to begin. This is the first actionable step that lets you tell Google where you want services to read your position. Now adjust the detailed controls. Set location accuracy to high so GPS, Wi-Fi, and sensors combine for precise results. In Google Maps, edit home or work addresses. Drop a pin to save exact coordinates if an address is ambiguous. Then review location sharing to broadcast a new live location, or open activity controls to pause or clear location history if you want a fresh baseline. These steps change both the immediate reported position and the stored history that influences future suggestions and search results. Finish by restarting your device to ensure system and app-level changes take effect, because some services cache old coordinates. Verify the new location by opening Maps or searching "What is my location?" and confirm the pin matches what you set. If the location still looks wrong, clear the Google Maps app cache, re-enable location services, and sign out, then sign back into your Google account to force a refresh. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync and cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.